Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Sequoia maintenance light. First, locate the odometer reset button on your dashboard. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your trip meter display is set to Odo by pressing the reset button repeatedly until it shows. This initial setup is crucial for the reset process to work correctly and efficiently. Now, turn your ignition key completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the odometer reset button firmly. While still holding the button, turn the ignition key back to the on position. Do not release the button yet. This action initiates the reset sequence, preparing the system to clear the maintenance reminder. Keep holding it steady. Continue holding the odometer reset button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will notice the maintenance light on your dashboard begin to flash. Keep holding the button until the light turns off completely. Once the light is off, you can release the button. This indicates a successful reset of your maintenance reminder system. If the maintenance light remains on after your first attempt, simply repeat all the steps from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second try to get it right, so don't worry. Remember, performing regular vehicle maintenance is absolutely essential for your Sequoia's longevity and optimal performance. Keeping up with service intervals prevents bigger issues down the road. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.